Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Infiniti G37 faster. First, consider foundational upgrades. Simple changes like a high-flow air filter can improve throttle response and add a few horsepower. Ensuring your car is well maintained, with fresh fluids and spark plugs, is crucial for optimal performance. Even reducing unnecessary weight in the trunk can make a small difference. These initial steps are budget-friendly and provide a good starting point for enhancing your G37's speed. Next, let's dive into engine performance. A cold air intake is a popular first step, allowing your engine to breathe better and potentially adding up to 15 horsepower. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system will further improve exhaust gas flow, enhancing both power and the car's sound. For the most significant gains, an engine control unit or ECU tune can recalibrate your engine settings, unlocking substantial horsepower and torque increases, often 25% or more. Beyond raw power, improving your G37's handling is key to feeling faster. Upgrading your suspension with coilovers or lowering springs can significantly reduce body roll and improve cornering ability. Investing in high-performance tires provides much better grip, allowing for quicker acceleration and shorter braking distances. Additionally, installing stiffer aftermarket sway bars will further enhance stability and responsiveness, making your G37 feel more planted and agile on the road. For those seeking extreme power, forced induction via a supercharger or turbocharger kit can provide massive horsepower gains, often doubling the stock output. Remember, with increased speed comes the need for improved stopping power, so consider upgrading your brakes with larger rotors and performance pads. Always ensure any complex modifications are installed by qualified professionals to maintain safety and reliability. Enjoy making your G37 a true performance machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.